Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the model and inputs ready. Install stable diffusion and a friendly GUI so you can move fast. Choose one, 5 or 2, one depending on style needs. Once done, collect any reference images and set your canvas size. 512 x 512 is a reliable default. Make a short, focused prompt that lists subject, style, and mood. Also confirm your machine has a GPU with at least 6 GB of RAM, or pick a cloud instance so generation runs smoothly. Next, you configure the generation parameters to control quality and creativity. Choose a sampler like Euler or DPM++, then set steps between 20 and 50. More steps refine detail, but cost time. Use a guidance scale around 7, 5 to 12, so the model follows your prompt without overfitting. If modifying an image, enable image-to-image or in-painting and tune denoising strength. Remember to set or record a seed for reproducibility, and increase batch size when you want several variants at once. Finally, you generate and iterate until the image meets your goals. Start with a small batch, quickly inspect outputs, then tweak the prompt, sampler, or guidance scale based on what you see. Once satisfied, upscale and apply finishing tools like face restoration or subtle denoising for cleanliness. Save your final image and record the exact prompt and seed for later reuse. If things fail, check RAM limits, lower steps, or resolution, and clear the model cache. That fixes many common errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.